As 2021 rolls on, we ask that you please download the valuable 2021 Fortune 500 list below. Currently, we have 6,000 active records in file, representing over $13 trillion of revenue and 28 million employees. This list is free, and in exchange, we're asking for you to review it if you find it valuable. Did you know that Walmart ranked #1 on the Fortune 500 list for the 9th consecutive year? Walmart finished the year with a revenue of $559 billion. Companies who are investing in technology and digital shopping like Walmart, Target, and Amazon are poised to stay up top of the Fortune 500 list. Amazon's revenue grew 38% in 2020 to $386 billion as they sit at rank #2. Please download our Fortune 500 spreadsheet to see which companies are seeing the most profitability in 2021. Our research indicates that Fortune sectors included technology with $19 billion, household products with $11 billion, and retail with $6 billion has shown the largest increase in profit in 2021. Big tech companies like Microsoft at spot 15 and Apple at spot 3 also thrived during the pandemic. Apple made $50 billion in profit, making them the most profitable company in the 2021 Fortune 500 list. In total, the 47 tech companies on this year's list are worth roughly $9.6 trillion. Surprising newcomers to the 2021 Fortune 500 list include Chewy at spot 403, Carvana at 483, and Hasbro at 494. The mass shift to a remote workforce led to an increase in consumers purchasing cars, pets, and in-home entertainment. Speaking of entertainment, Netflix jumped from 164 to 115 on the Fortune 500 list. In 2020, the company's profits surged 48% to $2.7 billion. Many Fortune 500 companies suffered from the economic struggles brought by the pandemic. In fact, during the COVID-19 pandemic, only 6 of the 21 Fortune sectors grew earnings from 2020 to 2021. The top 3 sectors with the biggest loss of profit include financials at $132 billion, energy with $128 billion, and transportation with $50 billion. The airline industry lost a combined $31 billion in 2020. Airlines including Alaska Air and JetBlue Airways saw a revenue drop of over 60%, kicking them out of the Fortune 500. Companies including Caesars Holdings and MGM Resorts also saw a monumental decrease in traffic. Hilton Worldwide Holdings saw its revenue per room drop around 57%. This select group of companies represents approximately 2/3 of the United States GDP. The revenue per employee for these top companies in the world is over $850,000. Download our list to see Fortune 500 companies listed by industry, state, revenue, and employee count. Our list also compiles privately held companies. This list is free, and in exchange, we're asking for you to review it if you find it valuable.